Allison, my beautiful gal, and I were a scrap lady. When we were trying to think of a name, we were doing these, what were we doing, Allie? A synthetic ravage of what it might represent. And we decided to call it, because first of all, you're going to get cut and stabbed, we decided to call it Tetnus. Right? Tetnus. And then Tatanka, because it's in Tatanka, it's a Lakota word for buffalo spirit. And there's a spirit out here, so I see this as like this big crazy buffalo boat. So in order to didactic this, Tao, and through Chat GPT, of course, because, you know, we needed it. So, Tetnus Tatanka, 2025 large land art assemblage, finished car parts, airplane parts, salvaged brickwood. After Elizabeth, who was here, and Allie went on and started refining it, this 50-foot art piece is an intricate fusion of history, myth, and surrealist vision. A wooden Spanish fishing vessel sculpted from salvaged materials and crowned with the hulking, time-worn presence of a 1948 Packard automobile. The tail rudder of a Cessna 172 is a nod to the military aviators who lost their lives in the Salten Sea. Weathered and sun-bleached, the vessel carries the spirit of the Cahuilla warriors and the Spanish conquistadors alike, as though lost between two worlds adrift on the sea, yearning for the vastness of the desert. The bow, elongated and elegant, echoes the curves of both a galleon and a mid-century road cruiser, with ship ribs adorned in rusted ironwork and repurposed car chrome. Its wooden frame is held together with tetanus-ridden rusted nails, corroded relics of forgotten hands that once built and abandoned it. Leather and woven fabrics drape its interiors, invoking the aesthetic of the 1950s desert resort, where luxury met the raw expanse of the American Southwest. The Packard, particularly embedded within the vessel's frame, has been transformed into the ship's wheelhouse. Its windows fogged with dust, its hood ornament gleaming like a forgotten relic. The entire composition feels like a cinematic fever dream, an artifact from a Terry Gilliam film where history, fantasy, and industrial decay collide in an off-kilter harmony. Patina-laden brass fixtures, Cahuilla-inspired motifs etched into the planks, and an array of fishing nets tangled with Spanish doubloons and desert sand complete the illusion of a vessel that has sailed across time itself. At its heart, Tetnus Tatanka is more than a ship. It's a journey, a restless search for buried treasure, both tangible and intangible. It represents the longing for something just out of reach. The endless pursuit of dreams, lost fortunes, and forgotten histories. Like conquistadors scouring the land for gold, or desert wanderers chasing mirages, the piece reminds us that the treasures we seek in life may never be found, yet the search itself becomes our greatest adventure. The great Buffalo Lakota spirit lingers over the vessel, symbolizing endurance, survival, and the sacred journey of wandering souls. It's a reminder that what we chase is often already within us. Yeah. Many other words from many other people and souls and digital gods. Say la vie. Say la vie.
On the front end.
We have
Break the bottle on the front end.
Christen it.
what's that? The bar?
Break the bottle on the front end.
Yeah, break the bottle.
Well, you drink it first before you break it.
Yeah, there's more over at 450.
Who wants a little rosé?
No, Tao, splash. Just give a splash.
Hey!